I'm going to be honest with you. Most people on Pinterest do not have the right boards for their business. If you want to explode your Pinterest traffic and get more people to your website, you must be doing two very specific things when it comes to your boards. And that's what we're here to talk about today. Hey there, I'm Erica, Pinterest marketing strategist, helping business owners make Pinterest marketing easy to understand with simple strategies that get results. Today, we're talking about Pinterest boards, and I want you to give me a thumbs up down below if you have boards upon boards upon boards when it comes to your Pinterest profile. We all do. We've got recipe boards, home project boards, boards for our kids, you name it. Our profiles are full of Pinterest boards. However, are they relevant to your business? When it comes to using Pinterest for your business, the boards that house your recipes, your home projects, your kids' projects, those kinds of boards aren't gonna fly on your business profile. We need to be doing two things instead. The first thing that you need to be doing is you must be creating boards that are relevant to the content or the products that you're sharing on Pinterest. For example, if you are somebody who creates gift boxes for your business, then you need to have boards on your Pinterest profile that reflect as such. Boards like thank you gift boxes, sympathy gift boxes for graduation, or congratulations gift boxes. You kind of get the picture. The best way to determine what boards you should have is to match them up with the content topics or your product categories that are already on your website. It really is that simple. When I work with clients inside my Pinterest marketing agency, the first thing that I do is I go to their website and I look at their content topics or their product categories, and we start there. We create boards that are relevant to those topics or product categories so that when we start pinning, we have a relevant board to save those pins to. The second thing we need to do is to take advantage of that description box for our boards. You guys, this is where the magic happens. Pinterest is giving us a free space to add additional keywords so that we can, one, optimize the overall success of our boards, and two, show up in even more search results. Because when we add keywords to the board description telling Pinterest what that board is about, and then we save a pin to that board with the same keywords, we've got Pinterest gold. When all of these things are consistent, the Pinterest algorithm is more confident in the content or the products that you're sharing. And the more confident they are in what your content or your products are about, the more they're going to show them in search results. Okay, now that we know what boards we should have for our Pinterest business profile and how to use them to our advantage, what do we do if we still have those lingering recipe boards laying around? Let me share a little tip that will help you. We all know that Pinterest is a search engine, a visual one, which means that whether we like it or not, keywords and SEO matter. And just like I mentioned previously, that the keywords you use on your pins and your boards should match, the same applies to your overall profile. The more consistent the keywords and topics are overall in your profile, again, the more confidence Pinterest has in the content or the products that you're sharing. And again, the more confident they are, the more that they will distribute your content in search results. So let's go back to that gift box example. If you create and sell gift boxes, but you have 7 boards on your profile for different types of recipes, maybe it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizers, desserts, Pinterest is going to be a little confused. They aren't sure if you're a gift box seller or a food blogger. Therefore, your pins with your gift boxes may not get as many impressions as they could. So what can we do if we have some boards that may muddle the waters a little bit? My top recommendation is to make those boards secret. Now, when we turn a board from public to secret, we can still access all of the pins that are on the board, and we can still save pins to that board. The difference now is that Pinterest is no longer searching that board for keywords when delivering pins in search results. So essentially, it's not searchable. I'm going to show you how it looks in order to make a board public to secret. Okay, so I want to show you what it looks like to make a board secret. We're here on my main Pinterest profile here, and there's 2 ways that you can do this. You can hover over this little pencil on your board and click on that pencil and scroll down and click on keep this board secret and done. You can also do it by clicking on the board itself, going up here to these 3 little dots, edit board, and again, scrolling down to keep this board secret, click done, and you are good to go. With those personal boards now secret boards, Pinterest will begin to see more consistency in your overall profile and the products and content that you're trying to send traffic to. It's my hope that after watching this video, you have a better understanding for Pinterest boards, what boards you should have for your business, and how you can use them in your overall Pinterest strategy. I touched a bit on Pinterest keywords and SEO, and if you're keen to learn more about Pinterest keywords, I invite you to check out my video, Pinterest keywords and how they work. And if you want to keep going, then you should check out 3 ways to do keyword research right on Pinterest. I'll see you next time with more ways to make Pinterest marketing easy, and until then, happy pinning.